Alright, so been a while since I did a video about the Jeep. I'm going to start updating some stuff on this old thing, so I'll probably start doing some more Jeep content, mix it in with the Civic content since started with this thing. So no, it's not an HO. I just put the HO factory intake on it, but I still have the non-HO box because it's like the cold air style. So, but today I'm going to replace this box with this AirRaid tube. Wanted to try this for a while, decided to get it, so it's probably the easiest install video I've ever done, but we'll go ahead and do it anyways. Other mods on the Jeep, 24-pound Ford injectors, super chip tune, got the Airaid throttle body spacer, stock throttle body, but I poured and polished it at work on the machine to right around 70 millimeters, and then full exhaust. So we'll go ahead and add this on there. So first, get these loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen this one too. I'm not even gonna mess with the box. I'm just gonna leave it there. Try to do this all with one hand, basically. Unplug this vent tube, and then this whole thing should pop right off, just like that. Oh, it's dirty. All right, see there, you can see I did all this myself. So I machined it, and then I hand polished it. Started with like, after machining, it's already pretty smooth. So, but not mirror like that. I think I started with like 1,000 grit, and then went up all the way to 2,000 grit, and just pull it. I mean, it's dirty right now, but it's smooth, super smooth. And then I just left the lip here for the butterfly so it doesn't idle funny. So I stopped at the butterfly on the front and stopped at the butterfly on the back. Nice thing about this, it does come with the stainless steel band clamps, so they're a lot nicer than those crappy, like these aluminum ones. They always strip out. Oh yeah, this thing was toasted anyways. Probably leaking. Let me see. I'll put this other band clamp on, and we'll install this thing while it's right here in front of me. Oh, this is 8mm I'm using instead of a flathead. Just so much easier. Tighten this thing up. Just like that. And this is actually shaped. See, it slims down to fit the stock box, because the non-HO box is kind of like this weird oval, and this is shaped to fit that, which is pretty cool. So now this should go right on there. Jesus. And then, oh, don't forget the band clamp. Get that guy on there. It should go right over the top. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start tighten this one up at the throttle body. And you don't need to crank these down real tight. They are stainless, so the ones that come with this anyways are stainless, so it won't strip out as easy as those aluminum ones, but no need to go super crazy tight. Just get them hand snug. And these, yeah, this whole coupler is shaped to fit this. Actually, seems like it's a really nice fit, actually. A little better than I was expecting, to be honest. And they actually got little grooves, but they want you to put the band clamp right there. Pretty tight. That's it. Probably the easiest one you'd ever do. These are usually like 150 bucks. I got this one brand new off eBay for like 110 bucks, I think. I sent an offer and they took it, so might not do anything huge for performance, but I am going to put an HO manifold on this. I actually got it already. I'm going to put the Lost Core design on this, 2002 4.7 HO intake manifold. And then that'll be it. So, quick and easy video. This is the old one and the new one. Like, share, and subscribe. Got lots more stuff coming for the Jeep and for the Civic, so stay tuned.